QuMatix Trading Bot Review. Is it legit or scam? Automated trading bots promise easy profits, but do they actually deliver? Today we're reviewing QuMatix Trading Bot to see if it's legit or just another scam. So what is QuMatix? QuMatix claims to be an AI-powered crypto trading bot that uses advanced algorithms to buy and sell automatically for you. The idea is simple. You deposit funds, the bot trades on your behalf, and you supposedly earn passive income with minimal effort. Sounds great on paper, but let's dig deeper. Here's what QuMatix advertises: automated crypto trading 24/7, AI-driven market analysis, user dashboard with live trade tracking, and promises of consistent profits regardless of market conditions. But remember, high returns with little risk is always a red flag in trading. Its possible pros include it being fully automated, so no need for constant monitoring. It has easy-to-use interface for beginners. However, its major cons include lack of transparency about who runs it, no verifiable proof of long-term profitability, risk of losing funds since you don't control the trades, and very few credible user reviews or trusted third-party audits. So is QuMatix Trading Bot legit or scam? At this stage, it looks highly risky. While it might be real software, the lack of transparency and unrealistic profit claims make it hard to trust. If you do try it, never invest more than what you can afford to lose. And that's been an honest review of QuMatix Trading Bot.